Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Keroy here. Okay, today I'm reading for you Truth Be Told from Divine Soul Whispers. Your truth is like a pillar of light, anchored from the heavens right through you into the core of the earth. Your truth is unshakable, unmovable, yet flexible enough to evolve to the evolving nature of life. New understanding of wisdom nuggets flow from the cosmos day after day, night after night. Your truth is an inner knowing created from all, yet attached to none. Made from all, with consideration of all, yet singular in nature. Your truth generates confidence, anchors you to the ebbs and flows of life with humility and grace. Truth is truth. Let your truth give you the freedom to live your life to the fullest. Live life, love more, trust your truth. This is Keroy. Know who you are, know your truth, your values, what you stand for, and that will help you as an anchor. But remember to leave that window of flexibility as new knowledge and wisdom flows in, because what you consider truth as today, because of certain new information, you may have to change certain things. So keep the flexibility. As always, this is Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.